guys, it is December the 27th, 2024 on a very windy, overcast day here in Orange Beach. Waves are really kicking today. You can see the flag there standing out from the wind. Looks like a cold, dreary day, but it's actually around 73 degrees. We'll have rain come in here shortly. That's Coastal, beachside restaurant and bar and entertainment venue. This is the Orange Beach Locals only parking lot here in the front. Back behind it is parking for the restaurant and gift shop. And this is new construction that's going on at, I believe it's called Phoenix South Point. Gonna be another condo here on the beachfront here in Orange Beach. The wind is really kicking today. You can see there with the American flag standing at full mast there. Take a look to see what the name of the new condo is going to be. Yeah, it is the Phoenix South Point. Gonna be pretty. Don't forget, in addition to these daily vlogs, I will be doing videos of things around here at the Gulf Coast area, Hawaii, different vacation locations, Disney. So go to my channel, hit subscribe, it's free to do so. It doesn't cost anything for it, it just helps my channel to grow. And check out the different playlists. I do greenhouse work, different Halloween decorations, just a little bit of everything. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.
Inches, here they come.